Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here. Do you hate Sunday nights? We're going to talk about that. Do you hate Sunday nights? Well, that's kind of crazy. Why would you hate Sunday nights? You know, I know when I used to work for somebody, it was like Sunday nights. What does Sunday nights mean to me? It meant I had to get to bed early, right? It meant I couldn't go out, I couldn't do things. And it usually meant sometime in the afternoon, I would start thinking about my job on Monday morning. That was tough, you know. If you sit back and think about it, that day off, that one day off, and sometimes I didn't have Sundays off. You may have a job like that where you actually have to work Sundays. So, you know, Sunday nights is really bad, right? But I knew that starting Sunday afternoon, I would start thinking about Monday and start thinking about the commute and start thinking about putting my tie on and having to get to work and the problems that were going to be there. And oh my God, the one day I had off, which was Sunday, I spent thinking about Monday. Tough thing to do. Now I don't do that anymore, because Monday is like Sunday, is like Saturday, is like Wednesday. It doesn't matter. I'm doing what I want every day. And here's the cool thing: having an online business lets you enjoy every night of your life. Okay? And sure, you got to work. I'm not going to tell you you don't have to work. If anybody tells you that you can make a ton of money online and you don't have to work, they're lying to you. You want to run really far in the other direction. You don't want to be around those people. But honestly, you can work when you want. If you want to work in the mornings, that's cool. If you want to work in the evenings, that's cool. If you want to work in the afternoon, if you want to take off a couple hours, you can do that. If you want to run to the gym, if you want to have lunch with your family, your wife, your husband, whatever, you can do that. You can do it with an online business, and you don't have to worry about Monday morning and spoiling your Sunday nights. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, share it with somebody. Maybe it will motivate them to start an online business and enjoy their Sunday nights. Don't forget to like, share, and I love your comments too. And feel free to subscribe so you can get more of my content. It's J.R. Fisher. I'll talk to you real soon.